So we are at the LKQ Pick Your Part in Greensboro, North Carolina. I've not been to this location in quite some time. It's probably been 2 years since I've been here. But yeah, we got to find a side mirror because Hondas and trash cans in my family apparently are a disaster. So here we go. Well, here's the Civic I came for, 2017, same year as hers. Oh, the door's missing. The car came in like a week ago apparently, and I'm looking now, the door is gone, but maybe somebody put a part back in here, who knows. But car came in a week ago. I was hopeful things would be here. It's kind of, Jesus Christ, y'all. This is why my shipping expenses are so high. How many boxes did you take? Jesus. Anyway, I was hoping it was going to be here, and somebody's already taken it, and that sucks. This was like a 45-minute drive or so to get here, and it's not here. This one is. We don't need that one. You don't need his hat either. That's gross. I shouldn't even touch that. All right. Well, there was that Miata. I want to check that out before I go. And I'll look around for some Toyota stuff. But that sucks. I want to help her out. My sister-in-law, she's awesome. She's been really, really wonderful. So I was hoping to help her out. Crap. One thing I do like about this junkyard is domestic and foreign vehicles. They're all together. And so as I go around, there is, I get to see so much stuff that I usually don't see. Like the Chevy Cavalier a minute ago. And, you know, you see some of these cars and, cool old Sonoma there. You see some of these cars that used to be so prevalent and just everywhere, and now seeing a Chevy Cavalier, yeah, like I was kind of excited about that, and that's cool. Oh, that's, whew, I think it was low. I'll come back to this in a second and check it out. Yeah. So anyway, again, junkyards are cool. And always, I can't believe you're actually watching this. It's crazy. It's awesome. Hey, here we go. Toyota Paseo, like 1996. Again, you never see these. But I'll come check it out. Late 90s Toyota. Let's see what it's got. All right, there's the old Paseo. It was kind of neat looking at it. And I started looking around, like I saw this Honda Fit. And then I saw something that caught my eye, something I didn't recognize. Like this taillight opening didn't seem like right to me, and these wheels, I don't know, it just caught my attention. So I walked over because I was really curious. What is this car? And as I walked over, I saw the big brakes on the rear. So, okay, that's cool. I'm really, again, curious. What car is this? It's a Maserati. Yeah. Now, I don't know anything about Maseratis. I don't know anything about Maseratis, but I know they used to have like Ferrari engines at one point. I think they were buying engines from Ferrari. I don't know. Not something you expect to find in a junkyard. So it's got a V8. Again, I don't know, guys. Y'all can tell me about these things because I have no idea. But front stuff is gone, but those rear brakes are there. I don't know why they're not off. I want to try to get that out because I would love to get those brakes off. That would be sick. And they're probably worth something, you know. Steering wheel with the paddle shifters. This is cool. And this is stuff that you find sometimes in the junkyard. Not usually Maseratis, but I'm going to tinker around with this, see if I can get anything from it of value. That's pretty sick. Yeah, so I guess if I actually would have read this, I would know what it was. Quadruporte. Anyway, I got both wheels off. Oddly, one was a 17 and this side was a 22 for the wheel bolts. But this is going to take a hex key, an Allen key, to get off. I don't have one in my my bag. I don't have one. I do have some stuff in my car. I have a cheap set of Allen keys from Harbor Freight. You know, the $5 sets that you can pick up with 3 things, the Torx and hex and stuff. But I'll have to run to the car and check that out. And yeah, how about that for some wheel damage? So anyway, I'm going to beeline it for the car. Not that I think anybody's going to be thrashing on this while I'm gone, but I mean, maybe that guy, you know, he looks kind of suspicious. He was eyeballing it. I better hurry up. Stop talking, more rocking. No, I really do. Let me head out. I'm gonna go see if I have anything. Try to come back in and get this. If I can't, that's gonna suck because I really, really want it. But if I can't, it's okay. I've missed parts before. But pretty neat finding Maserati parts in the junkyard. All right, so came across this Maserati, this 2012 Quadruporte, and I want those rear calipers. I got some help from a guy. If you saw my last video, you will, so I was trying to get in the shade so it would show up. If you saw my last video, that was just me talking about the junkyard. You know that he helped me, and I'm about to get these things off. Like I'll just basically pull them off this point. I think that's it. But, so I'm going to take those home, and I'm excited about that. But yeah, so bust on the Honda Civic mirror. We're going to get these brakes, and there's actually another car on this next row. I'm going to check out a Corolla. I think I'm going to call it a day. I'm kind of hot and sweaty, and I'm ready to go home. But I'll get something good here today. So yeah, video saved. I don't know, kind of saved. I don't even know why you watch this, but here we are.